Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually view the results of your survey. Since we've published it, it'll no longer appear under here, but instead under the published surveys, demo survey number 2, that's us. I'm going to go ahead and take the survey really quickly just to show you what that's like and show you the thank you screen. So, if you click on that, it'll open up your survey in a new tab. We can go ahead and add any kind of information we want. Yep, any kind of information. Say our favorite primary color is red. Choose that we live in, let's go Blair Shannon. Favorite dessert is chocolate. And we'll say that our RA, building, and ResNet are all excellent. Then submit. It'll show us this screen. Thank you. See the social media buttons. And since we have it set up for the survey station, it actually refreshes back to the survey, so that it'll be really easy on the iPad or whatever device you're using to just have it continually cycled through so people can take your survey. Okay, let's see. Okay, I closed that tab and now we are looking at the general page again. By the way, sharing the URL that the view will take you to is the same as scanning in the QR code. Let's go ahead and actually close the survey. We can do that by changing the date that it's closed to a time that has already passed, in case we ever want to do this manually. Okay, now we should see our survey over here. Alright, here we can look at the results just by clicking on the results. Okay, we've had a total of 8 responses to our survey. Now, if we scroll down, we can look through all of them sort of in an overall tallied view. Notice that it says we have to export to Excel to read full responses. That is because anything that we've had typed in, we don't want to display it here in case there are hundreds or thousands of responses. So instead, you can only see it when you export the result. But we can see a breakdown of all of the multiple choice questions. And it's quite nice, pretty easy to see that people apparently really like living in their buildings. Some people think it's average. ResNet is wildly popular, as we have all known. RA's pretty positive. So one thing we can actually do is narrow down the results. So if we want to see everybody who selected blue, it's kind of ironic that the graph is red. Now it just says the 4 people there. We can see that people who like blue live in Hutchins, Kentwood, and Monroe. Nobody who likes blue also likes waffles, and so on and so forth. So that is one way you can do this. If we want to look at the actual ballots, the entries to our survey, we can click on ballots. And then we'll see exactly what each individual put. Since the first question is optional, they didn't answer it at all. But ice cream, above average, etc. And we can click on next and go through all of them. Apparently I was a little slow and somebody beat me too, taking my own demo survey. It's kind of ironic. Okay, go through and view all of them. Okay, let's go back and look at the results once more. You can also export the results just by clicking export. It'll open up as an Excel document. Let me open that really quickly for you. Okay, and here it actually shows each and every ballot and their responses to it. It's really pretty simple. We can also view just a summary, which is a little more akin to the results we're seeing here, but one of the differences is that it shows a tally on this page, then the results of the text boxes are on the second tab. So there we go. And that is what these results look like. If at any point we've decided that this is an excellent survey and we want to do it again, we can simply clone it by clicking the clone option. You have to give it a unique name and click clone. And now it shows up here under unpublished surveys. But if we preview it, it looks identical to the previous one. And that should be everything that you need to know about the Survey Builder. If you have any questions, please email resnet@missourustate.edu and enjoy using the Survey Builder. This is Clyde with ResNet. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.